Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 28 and 20 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 7, 5, 8 in exact order. Sa Super Lotto 649 draw, ang winning numbers ay 20, 44, 28, 4, 16, and 48 in any order with a jackpot price of 30,458,211 pesos and 20 centavos. Sa Ultra Lotto 658 draw, ang winning numbers ay 6, 56, 41, 33, 35, and 17 in any order with a jackpot price of 130,468,867 pesos and 20 centavos. At abangan natin bukas ang Mega Lotto 655 draw na may estimated jackpot of 252 million. Maraming salamat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.